Welcome to everyone. Today in this video, I'll just unbox this Yonex Nanoray 89 Graphite Badminton Racket. See, this is what I have ordered on the Flipkart website. Yesterday only I received this racket. Let us unbox this and see how is the quality and how is the weight and how is the string tension. Everything we'll see. Okay, let me open this. Here. It came along with this carrying bag, and this is what the racket looks like. Yonex Nanoray 18i, and once again I'll show you the Flipkart link where I bought. Actually I purchased two. Yeah, this is the handle with the rubber handle, actually the grip, because I don't like this cloth grip. That's the reason I took this. And the material is graphite, as it is mentioned, the material is graphite. All this frame and the stick and everything is graphite. And one thing I really liked about this Yonex racket is it is very lightweight. As the material is graphite, it is very lightweight. The grip is really good. Like if you are like a moderate player, this would be a better choice within this budget range. See as here, I said, I'll show you the details of the Yonex Nanoray Light in 8i. See, this is the price, which is 1700. The price remained the same. Actually 5 days back I purchased, actually two bats I purchased. One is for me and one is for my friend, and the price is okay, same. And the string tension is 30 lbs, and this material is graphite, which they have mentioned. And coming to the weight, it is pretty lightweight. As I unbox this and I hold this, this is very light in the weight, which is 77 grams. Okay, let us get back to the video. As I said, the string tension is 30 lbs. It is very stiff enough. And if you are really advanced player, you can go for muzzle power if you strike well. For moderate users who likes lightweight, this Nanoray 18i would be a better choice. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments.